俄乌战争正未煞，普京阁放令使用核武的条件，提升核武的威胁，就互愈侪民众烦恼战争扩大，带动各国的地下碉堡销售量增加。不过，核武的专家就提醒讲，若是真正动用核武，你伫咧室内莫互核子引压引着，就算安全啊！也呼吁世界各国应该爱积极来阻止核武发展。
在美国德州的地下碉堡制造商正伫咧组装人客艇的产品，业者讲，这种碉堡装伫咧艇下骹，内面有一般高架设备，也有会当过滤核武加生化武器毒气的空气清净系统，会当避开有毒物质的攻击。
People are uneasy, and they want a safe place to put their family. And they have this attitude that it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it.
业者讲，第11届俄罗斯对乌克兰使用革命素弹道飞弹之间，公司的电话就亮袂停，尾也有接到4张订单。一个地下碉堡自2万美金，差不多大票65万，一直到几落百万美金拢有。自疫情以来到俄战争，也个以下战争，世界各地对防灾碉堡的需求愈来愈悬。根据市调公司 Blue Water 的报告，美国防灾碉堡的市场规模，伫咧2023年是1.37亿美金，2035年将会增加到1.75亿美金。主要原因是核攻击、恐怖攻击，或者是国家内乱的威胁。
The danger with the fallout is it gives off gamma radiation. So these particles sitting on rooftops and on the ground are exposing people that are near them to that gamma radiation. The good news is it takes a little while for that to happen.
核武专家讲，若是伫咧核爆范围外，民众也有机会会当逃生，对人体有害核辐射落尘，会伫咧15分钟左右落去涂骹。伫这段期间，只要踮伫咧厝内就算安全。所以碉堡并不是必要的逃生设施。因那反映人数是讲，若要开大钱买碉堡，国家积极的做法就是阻止大规模毁灭性武器的扩散。
Underground bunkers, if we ever get to a point where there's all-out nuclear war, aren't going to protect people, and instead we ought to be investing our resources and our energy trying to talk about a freeze initially, and then finding ways to engage countries that possess nuclear weapons.
公司新闻张锡芬编译。